All right guys, so finally got some sunlight out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the carpet from this car. I'm gonna, since it's already out of the car, I'm just gonna use the hose and a brush and some soap and scrub it all down. Should be all right. But all right, see, so what I did, I want to hang that up with some little hooks here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, with the water hose, I'm gonna be working from the top down, so that way all the dirt and all that stuff can fall down. And I'll probably leave it here maybe so it can dry out a little bit. I'm not sure how much sunlight I'm gonna get, but that's basically what I'm gonna do. So just work my way up, with the scrub, with the brush, just take all that crap off and let it all rinse down, and should look pretty good once I'm done. Here's what it looks like right now. So it's pretty dirty. So let's see what it looks like afterwards. I just want to show you guys real quick how nasty this is. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the time lapse, but check this out. See that? That's what I gotta get out. It's already looking a lot better, as y'all saw. I went ahead and brought out the power washer and helped take off a lot of that dirt. I did use a just one of those carpet cleaners you could buy at your local auto parts store. Scrubbed it down and helped take off a lot of that dirt. And as the water's coming down now, it doesn't really look that dirty anymore. You see, the only issue is that I'm running out of daylight. It's gonna get dark here soon, so I gotta hurry up. But you'll see, looks a lot better. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna come back and do the carpet cleaner on some spots, scrub it all down, rinse it down one last time, and that should be it. pretty much it. Looks a lot better now. It's folded it outward so I can clean inside the crevices a little bit better. I just want to show y'all something. I remember how that water was coming out all gold and brownish. So look. Now it's clean, well, clear as it should be. See, no more of that brown stuff. So I think it all came out okay, except for a spot right here that I don't know what it is. It's like real sticky or something. As much as I scrubbed it, I put on degreaser, but on everything I could think of, it won't come off. But that spot is under the seat, so you won't ever be able to see it. Everything else looks good. I raised up the little hanger things right now so I can let all the water drip, and hopefully it'll be dry here in a day or two. Pretty cold here, so it might take a little bit longer, so I might just go ahead and put it in the garage afterwards. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I was gonna go ahead and wash the trunk part. There's a carpet that you can lift up, but I decided not to, since I am probably gonna go ahead and do like a custom subwoofer setup in the back, so I'm not even gonna use that, so I'll end up just selling that. But anyways, that is the my way. That is my way on how to clean your carpet. I know it's probably not a professional way. Some people might say I did it wrong, blah 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 blah, whatever. It worked, and the water's dripping clear now compared to how it was before. All the stains are out. It looks black. That part here, I am going to get I'm gonna get car mats, so you won't even see that, but once I put it back on the car, it should look pretty good. Anyways, that's another piece of the car. I told you guys I would record everything. Alright guys, so it's been about 24 hours and the carpet seems to be pretty dry. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot better than it did before. It's not perfect, but for a carpet that's from 1993, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Here it is. See, all I gotta do is just vacuum, and like I said, car mats over that. Vacuum, take this hair out. We got 3 huskies, so it's kind of hard not to get some hair on them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not bad for a little do-it-yourself job. You know, I just like learning and, you know, seeing if I could do things for myself. I think that's the best way to learn, is do things for yourself. But yeah, so there you go. That's how you save your carpet. Now I am gonna install it on the car. Not now, because I'm almost done with the wiring. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you subscribe, I mean, keep in mind I do have videos for my 1300 horsepower Supra, my twin turbo Cobra, my Eclipse, my truck. You know, got a lot of content coming your way, so I promise you won't be bored. So if you subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, and the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and take on the trim. I'm going to go ahead and start working on the trim for the interior. I think I'm going to do a just a matte black finish on it. I asked my wife, and she said that she didn't really want any color, no gray, like the 97, 98 model. She didn't want anything like that. She just wants black, matte black. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm pretty much all set on the interior. I just need to go get the seats reupholstered, but I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that, but I should be able to get everything except the seats done here fairly soon, maybe within the next week or so. So y'all stay tuned for that.